balance. What is balance? As Christy's saying, yeah, I think a lot
it's
of
a moving target. That's what we've learned. There is no like
true.
you find the balance. It's a constant moving target that we are attempting to reach. And just the more we know and the more enlightened we are, we see that, oh, this is another thing that we have to be aware of as we move forward.
Yeah. And yeah, not feeling like we'll ever achieve balance, but that's our goal, is to just try and find that balance. But I think a lot of people who work online or have to be self-motivated have to deal with that. Like, where is the balance? It's so easy just to do the things you like. Like someone was saying that, you know, we should teach on art more. I was like, no problem. Like, I'd love to teach on art just like all day. Like, I have no problem redoing what we've already talked about. I got no problem talking about that. But I don't think that's the wisest thing for us to do. Like, we have all of this knowledge. Why should I only talk about art? That's where we're at with that, trying to find balance, trying to find, you know, being level-headed in finding balance, not getting too drawn to one thing or losing sight of what, you know, kind of the big picture is. And yeah, it's definitely, like we said, just a moving target, something we're working towards.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. My name is Steven. This is my brother Nathaniel. Together we are the Wingman.
If you guys want to know more about anything that we talked about, check the description of this video.